Few coastal cities in the world have it all: a stunning mix of rugged cliffs and golden beaches, soaring skyscrapers and dramatic mountain backdrops, rich flavors and just the right touch of quirky charm. But somehow Busan brings it all together with effortless grace. It's the kind of place that doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. With every turn, every taste, every view, Busan surprised us, delighted us, and reminded us why we fell in love with travel in the first place. We're John and Bev, and we are the Retirement Travelers. If you're just finding us, we are an American senior travel couple who are on the adventure of our lives. We're traveling China, Japan, and South Korea on this leg, so hit subscribe and follow along. We're also planning some small group, upscale travel adventures for like-minded travel enthusiasts. Scan the link with your phone's camera or check our website to join us on a trip. After a blissful stay on Jeju Island, it was time for one final chapter in our South Korean journey, where we traveled by rail and plane. A visit to Busan, the second largest city in Korea. With our bags reluctantly zipped, we took a quick ride to the airport. Our flight to Busan was a short hop and jump back to the mainland, but shortly after takeoff, something beautiful happened. In the seat in front of me, I noticed a young girl waving goodbye as the wonder of the island disappeared beneath the clouds. I watched as she pressed her face against the window in hopes of capturing one more glimpse. I could relate because I've watched too many places I love slip out of view as we leave them behind.
Upon landing in Busan, we grabbed an Uber to our hotel. Except we were a little too early for check-in. No matter, the universe had a plan. We wandered into a local restaurant where we had our fill of spicy noodles and dumplings that were so good, I wanted to ask for the recipe.
People are out eating and walking around.
Little Sunday morning street market.
I like Sunday morning street markets. There's nothing like a big long shish kebab of just some pork or chicken coated in sauce. You just can't beat it.
Well, you can. It's called fruit dipped in sugar.
Oh, I saw that back there too.
And we like that as well.
The next morning, our adventure began with a visit to the Jagalchi Fish Market. It's the biggest fish market in Korea, and we could see why. It was fabulous.
There are hundreds of different sea life here that we don't even know what they are.
It's so beautiful. It doesn't even stink here.
No.
That's what I'm surprised at. Normally we go into a fish market and it smells so bad you can't hardly stand it, but that's not the case here today. But if you look, there are drains throughout the whole thing.
I think this is one of the nicest fish markets we've ever been to anywhere around the world. This is outstanding. I think we just missed the boat.
Let's go walking.
After exploring the street market, we headed to Gamcheon Cultural Village. Picture a seaside hillside exploded with pastel houses, eclectic murals, and mini photo ops. Oh, Korea, you do love a great pose. We climbed stairs, popped into quirky shops, sipped overpriced but delicious coffee and tea, and people watched locals and tourists alike. We happened upon a wall of gumball machines and watched an American woman receive a Korean fortune.
Okay, something exciting.
There it is. Oh, there we go. Wow, it's big.
Yeah.
Oh, it's probably millions of dollars.
So it looks like that.
Oh, wow.
I think we would have a hard time reading that.
Is it a good fortune?
I'm not sure. I'll have to read it slowly because I'm not too good at Korean.
Well, I think it's a good fortune.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's cute.
Okay.
She was so cute.
Later, we made our way to Songgyo Sky Park Cable Car, a scenic gondola ride that swings high above Songgyo Beach. Up and away! We're getting to be pros at cable cars. It was only $3 more per person. Get the glass bottom. If you're gonna live, go for it.
I think this is what you do when you come here. It's always fun to do something fun and different, a little quirky.
On the other side, we tackled the Songgyo Yonggung Suspension Bridge, which sways between the mainland and a rugged little island.
This only cost 1,000 Korean won per person. So what does that translate to?
Nothing, 70 cents.
Oh wow, that's all?
Yeah,
Okay, it's a bargain.
it's a bargain.
You like bargains.
The bridge's floor was made of open steel grating, less glass bottom, and more grill top. But who could worry about that with the waves crashing below and cliffs rising around us as if it was written in a novel? Want to know how Koreans remove sand at the beach?
I have never seen that before.
Compressed air.
After all the walking all day, we treated ourselves to a 2-hour couple massage near our hotel. It was labeled relaxing, but should have come with a warning label. You will be bent like a pretzel by someone half your size, but with the strength of a forklift. Despite the occasional yelp, we emerged loose-limbed and slightly taller.
That night, we returned to Biff Square, the pulsating heart of Busan's street food scene. Amid flashing lights and plaques of Korean movie star handprints, we joined the crowd in search of a legendary snack, hot talk. Think of it as a warm, crispy pancake stuffed with molten brown sugar, then sliced open and filled with roasted seeds. It's gooey, nutty, sweet, and slightly illegal feeling. It's so good.
Brown sugar, butter, nuts.
The Korean pancake. Here it is.
It's everything. It's so delicious.
This falls under the mandatory list. You have no choice. You have to get one of these.
On another day, we hopped on Busan's impressively clean and efficient metro and rode it north, followed by a pleasant walk to the coastal gem Haeundae Yeonggangsa Temple. If temples could flirt, this one would bat its eyes and whisper, "Aren't I pretty?" Perched on jagged cliffs and caressed by ocean spray, this 14th century Buddhist temple is one of Korea's rare seaside shrines.
Okay, it's a lucky coin
Toss.
toss. Okay, I'm terrible.
Practice beats talent when
And
talent
talent
doesn't
doesn't practice.
practice, and you haven't been tossing too
I
many
have not
coins
been
these
practicing. Dang.
days. Yeah, dang.
After our morning visit to the temple, we made a trip to one of Busan's must-do attractions, Haeundae Blue Line Park. First up, the beach train, a charming little rail line that hugs the dramatic coastline.
John, I think that walking is slightly faster than the beach train.
I think so. You don't do this for speed.
No, you do it for the fun of it.
That's right. So,
You get to see this beautiful ocean. So pretty.
so there's 3 different ways. You can take the trail, which is beautiful, nice walk,
Fast.
fast. You can take the train, which is slower, but restful and
beautiful.
relaxing. Or you can take the sky capsule.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
Sky
and
capsule.
so
We're going to do that next.
We're going to do that next.
That was a nice little train.
Very nice.
After hopping off, we climbed the hill above the Sky Capsule station for pizza. We'd worked up a good appetite and found the perfect spot. A cozy pizza joint perched high above the ocean with views of the colorful capsules gliding past below.
I think the South Koreans know how to make pizza. They must have
They
had
do.
ancestry in Italy or something.
We've had 2 of our best pizzas in South Korea.
I know, it's been great. And we love pizza. So
We
we eat
do.
pizza around the world. It's kind of our go-to when we're wanting something just to comfort food or
It's not like we haven't eaten a lot of South Korean food. We've done that too, so.
yeah, we have, but we like pizza. Okay, we're going to the glass bottom bridge, not far from this little stop where we're gonna get on the little cars.
So I guess you write good wishes or on a fish and you hang it up on this fence. Sounds a little fishy to me, but I don't know why everybody loves these glass walkways now.
And you don't like them?
I don't like them, no.
Hello, sweetheart, isn't it a sunny day? Time to throw your cares away and kiss me.
We're on the Sky Capsule, and it kind of reminds us of a baby ding ding in Hong Kong.
It does.
Only it's on an elevated rail. It's so cute.
It was like floating through a living postcard with sweeping views of the cliffs, beaches, and sparkling water below. The pace was unhurried, giving us time to soak in every second and wave at the smiling faces passing in capsules going the other way. It wasn't just a ride, it was a moment of pure joy, suspended between sky and sea.
Once we arrived at Mippo Station, we strolled the length of Haeundae Beach. It was too chilly for a dip, but we could see why this beach is a summer favorite.
Soon the sun dipped low, casting Busan in a golden glow. It was time to say goodbye. Busan had been bold, beautiful, and surprisingly beachy. Among all the Korean cities we visited, this one just might have stolen our hearts. We'll definitely plan to return. It's on the list to bring the grandkids one day.
But don't worry, the story isn't over yet. Next stop, we're hopping back across the sea to Japan for another round of exploration, this time beginning in Fukuoka and continuing our journey through southern Japan with our best friends and travel buddies, David and Judith. We'll see you next week. Be sure to hit subscribe and follow along on our retirement journey around the world.
Hello, sweetheart.